Ever had itchy eyes, sneezing, or skin rashes out of nowhere? That's probably allergies. Quick facts. Allergies happen when your immune system overreacts to harmless things, like dust, pollen, food, or even pets. Symptoms? Sneezing, runny nose, itchy skin, watery eyes, swelling or red, raised rashes on the skin. Myth: allergies are just minor annoyances. Ignore them. Fact: some allergies can be serious, even life-threatening, like anaphylaxis from peanuts or shellfish. Myth: you cannot become allergic to something you've already been exposed to before. Fact: you can develop new allergies at any point in your life. It doesn't have to be during childhood. Management: avoid your known triggers. Antihistamines can help with mild symptoms. For severe allergies, always carry an epinephrine injector if prescribed. Allergies are common, but with the right care, you can control them and live comfortably. Follow for more health tips.